Here's the Subaru Forester. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Right over there is a primary hood release lever. Pull it in front of the vehicle. Right below the Subaru emblem, put one finger over there and then push it left. While it's pushed left, lift up the hood. This is how the secondary release lever works. Now this hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so grab the rod, put it right over there in that slot with the arrow marking it. Let it go, and now the hood is secure. Once the hood is open, that right over there is where the engine air filter is. We need to undo two clips, 1 and 2. Just pull it back. Now there are 3 tabs from the filter cover go. The one is visible. The way to get this cover out is we have to first lift it up, get all those 3 tabs out of the slots, and only when you do that will you be able to get this cover pushed out. Just follow along for now. Just lift it up and then push it back. Only when you do this properly will you be able to push it back. Now those are the 3 slots. That's where 3 tabs go. The left and center one you can't see it. You can only see the right side one. Push it back enough and then go ahead, grab the filter and get it out. And even then it's going to take you a few seconds to be able to get the filter out. It's a bit of a tight fit. Now once you get the filter out, the back side, the bottom side, that's the dirty side. All the dirt is trapped there. Outside air comes from the bottom, the front side, and then it gets filtered and clean air from the top, and the backside goes into the engine. Check the link in description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself. Now that is where the filter goes in, and that's where you see that hole, that's where the outsider comes in from. Now let's just go ahead, get the filter in, and even when you put the filter back in, it's going to be a bit of a, you'll have to push the top cover back while you're trying to wiggle the filter in place. So be patient, it's going to take you a few seconds. Once it's in place, make sure the filter is sitting in properly, nothing's sticking out. See, that is looking good. Now let's put the cover on, and when you put the cover on you have to focus on the tabs and the slots, and like I said, you can only see the right side one, so just focus on that. See how I'm getting it in that and sliding it in? Good. Once it's in place, there are some indicators that let you know that it's sitting in properly. See, that's in place. See, 1, 2 and 3, they're all lined up. Good. And only when it's lined up will you be able to put these 2 metal clips back on. And that's it. To close the hood, first push on it, get load off the prop rod, get it out of that slot, put it back in its place, lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.